Hey, hi. How are you doing? All right, so let's get this box unboxing open up. This is Spiral Studio Godzilla, as I told you all. So, let's see. All right, this is Spiral Studios Godzilla from Godzilla X Kong. Very lovely box. It's pretty big for a small little toy Godzilla, but okay, see everything. Alright, so you can see Spiral Studios. So let me get this unboxing for you all. I'm just gonna fast forward it. Alright, so this is how Godzilla looks outside the box. A very, I would say medium-sized figure. Let's see how it looks all around. Okay, cool Godzilla. I'm a little disappointed in the painting, but I'll go into detail once I do the review. But enjoy this simple Godzilla unboxing.